Wow, sorry, I didn't think it started. Hey guys, it's Madeline Rebecca here for a new video. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. Subscribe, like, follow, do all the normal stuff. I don't know which video I'll post first, but I made 2 videos in this outfit, so don't judge. Yes, my hair's bad, that's why I have a weird sock toboggan on, but we don't want any judgment here, so that's about that. But today I'm going to be telling you guys the tips of thrift shopping, because I just recently went and I got less than $100 worth of clothes. I did not spend $100, but I'm telling you that there is definitely $100 worth of clothes, if not at least close, with all the stuff that I got. Plus my mom got a lot of stuff, so we just kind of did it together, which was nice because my family doesn't really thrift, and I just kind of got them out of their comfort zone and made them go. And I love doing that. I do that with my friends all the time. They're always just like, Goodwill, I never find anything there. But 4 times a charm. I'll get to the tips in a little bit, but I'll come back to that. So let's get started. Okay, so tip number 1. You need to wear comfortable shoes. And I know you're like, oh, that's obvious. But I went thrifting in heels on Saturday. Bad. I was in pain. I didn't feel like, I'll get to that. Basically, you have to be in the mood to shop. We'll make that number 2. We'll get to it now. Okay, so number 1, comfortable shoes, because you will not feel like shopping if you're wearing heels, or if you're wearing shoes that don't, that just like hurt, because you have to walk like you are on your feet. Number 2, you have to be in the mood to shop. Goodwill is not a store that you can just go like PacSun and see, oh, that is a Kendall Jenner shirt. I like that. It's a Kylie shirt. I like that. That other PacSun brands, you know what I'm saying? You can't do that. You have to literally look through every single thing and figure out what you like. So it's not easy. It takes you a while. It's not just like Target when you can, oh, there's the purses. Oh, there's the swimming suit. You can't do that. You literally have to look for everything you do. So it does take a while. I've spent 2 hours at a Goodwill before. Have I came out with a lot of good stuff? Yes. Is there times that I go there and there's not? Yeah. So that leads me to number 3. You cannot give up. If you go there and you don't find anything, that's normal. There's not always going to be used clothes that you like. There's not always going to be your style there. I've went there many times just been like, you know what, not my day. There for an hour, not my day. And that's okay. I'm not discouraged. I come back and everything's completely fine. 4, you have to know what's a deal and what's not a deal. So for example, this shirt. It is a Banana Republic. That is a decent brand. This shirt would have been $15, $20, I'm gonna say. Okay, but there's other shirts, like if you go in the t-shirts, it'll be, I went there before and there's been my high school shirts, and they are like $3. Okay, I can get that from a friend in my same town. Like, you have to know, and I know, like, that's crazy to think of, like, you're buying clothes from Goodwill and you're still saying that they're too expensive. But sometimes there's shirts that it's just not worth it, honestly. So yeah, you just have to be careful, because sometimes there is stuff that's just like not worth it. And another thing, like, once you start thrifting, you're gonna really start realizing that holy crap, everything else is so expensive. Because I used to spend money on just brand name stuff, and now I like American Eagle, but I cannot go in there because I'll see a shirt and I'm like, okay, well, I could get that at Goodwill. So you have to be ready for that, because your whole mindset has changed. And like, I won't buy anything else less from Goodwill, because once again, I got a New York & Company shirt that's really, really expensive. I guess not really expensive, but I mean, it's a decent amount, and I got it for $4. Why am I going to spend $15 or $20 on a shirt at American Eagle that I can once again buy? Same thing with jeans. Like, if you go to the jeans at Goodwill, like, I've literally seen so many American Eagle jeans, but American Eagle jeans are $50 in stores. But I mean, like, you can't think of it too much, because I know it's like, oh, it's used. Well, I bet it's dirty. Okay. Maybe. You're right, it may be dirty, but you have to think you can wash it. You can wash anything you get there. So like me, I'm not going to say that I just grab a shirt and put it on in the car. No, I do. I take it home, I wash it, and then I wear it, because I understand that yes, it can be dirty. Yes, some Goodwills can be nasty. Sometimes the people there are a little too much, but you have to just kind of stay focused on realizing that if you're a college student, it's for you. If you're broke in any kind of way, or even if you just want to save money. Because I've had money recently, but I've still just saved money. I don't know if that makes sense, but like I've had money set for other things, like I want to move out, concerts, which should not be in a priority, but it is. But I've had that kind of money, but I'm like, okay, you know what? I want new clothes, but I can't waste the money that I have. So yeah. And sometimes I walk in there and I get judged. Like I dressed up and wore heels and like a nice outfit the other day, and somebody gave me a dirty look because people are so quick to judge and think that you have to be some certain way to go to Goodwill. But I think our generation's kind of starting to realize that like no, you don't have to be. You can just kind of shop anywhere you want. It doesn't really matter. So I don't judge it. I used to be like that. I used to be like, oh, Goodwill, dirty. But I kind of had to be like, okay, Madeline, you're stupid, and kind of realize that that was just me being typical high schooler and thinking everything revolved around me, which it doesn't. So yeah, so that's that. I love Goodwill. So those are all my tips. I hope that helped. I hope next time that you go in, you don't get discouraged, and that you have some really cool finds, because I've had some pretty cool stuff that I've found. So that's about all I have to say. Good luck thrifting, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.